Hi guys, and welcome back to Kitchen Kolony. And this week I'll be responding to a subscriber's request for making brown stewed chicken. If you'd like to see me do this, then hang around and watch me as I go through. I'd like to take this time to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you for coming by. And for my old subscribers, thank you for faithfully showing up every week. And guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit that like button. It's very important to us. And also, don't forget to share. We look forward to hearing your comments also. Thank you again. Now let's get back to making our brown stewed chicken. For our brown stewed chicken, we're going to need 2 pounds of chicken pieces. Well, I'm using 2 pounds. Now for fresh seasoning, we're going to need some ginger, bell peppers, tomato, garlic, thyme and rosemary, a piece of scotch bonnet. We're going to use a carrot, a medium onion, and some crushed pimento. Now in this bowl we have half teaspoon of jerk seasoning and a teaspoon of green seasoning, a teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of Jamaican all-purpose. Now we may need a pinch of salt, and here I have some Pepsi. Yes, instead of water I'm going to use Pepsi, and then some soy sauce. Now it's time to season, and I'm going to grate the ginger and the garlic over the meat. Now you may pound this, or chop it if you feel like. Now it's time to grate the ginger. I don't think I'll be using all of this, but I'll be using about half of this. Now we're going to put our fresh seasoning, everything right here, apart from the carrot. We're going to put everything. Now we add pimento. I'm going to use a piece of the scotch bonnet. It was frozen, so that's the reason for it looking so soft. I'm going to remove the seeds, the scotch bonnet, that's optional, but you can use it. More onion. Now it's our green seasoning and jerk seasoning. Now you don't have to use this, This is the seasoning that I always like using. So choose what you want. Season it the way you like. So we rub this in. Remember, squeezing the tomato and the onion, releasing some of the juices. Now after that is done, we're going to sprinkle our dry seasoning. We're going to add our all-purpose seasoning. And we're going to rub along with the black pepper. Now normally back home we take our finger and taste after we add the dry seasoning to see whether or not we need a lot of salt. I think I need a little salt, so I'm going to put about half a teaspoon. I don't want any more. We can always add, but it's difficult to take out. So we rub in the salt and allow it to marinate for at least an hour, and then we come back to fry. You might notice I have not used the soy sauce, but we don't want our meat to be brown because we want it to fry properly. So if you use the soy sauce, it will become brown quickly and the meat isn't cooked. So we'll use it after. Just add the carrots and cover. Just put it on top and then we cover it. In my pan we have 2 tablespoons of oil, and while it's getting hot I'm going to take off the vegetable off the meat so that I can prepare it for frying. I usually cut my meat in small pieces when done stewing, but you can leave it whole. You may remove your meat when it's brown on both sides. Now we don't have a lot of oil left in the pot, so we're going to fry our vegetables now. We'll put it in first. And we allow it to fry for a few minutes until the onion and stuff is softened. And turn up my stove. This is what we want, and at this point, if you're not going to add Pepsi and you're going to add water, it's best if you add some ketchup. Now I'm going to add my Pepsi to the pot. And that's a little over a cup, and I'm going to allow it to boil before I put my meat in. I'm going to add about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Remember, I don't want a lot because I don't want it to be too salty. And I'm just doing it for color. Now it's boiling, I'm going to put my meat in. I am using Pepsi because it adds a nice flavor to me. But you may use water and a little ketchup. Now the Pepsi gives it a little sweetness that I really like. Now adjust your stove between medium and low and allow it to cook slowly. Now after 30 minutes, it's boiled down to a gravy and it's time to turn the stove off. And the meat is well cooked. Now it is done. Chicken is an easy meat to cook, so you don't want to have it cooking for too long so that it breaks apart or it becomes trashy. Slow heat allows it to cook thoroughly and stay intact. Now here we have it, guys. Brown stewed chicken, succulent and delicious. It was actually falling off the bone. The taste of the Pepsi makes it not very sweet, but just add that little hint of sweetness that I like. To my subscriber who had requested this video, I hope you enjoyed what you've just watched, and I hope you would try my twist with the Pepsi and let me know what you think. And I hope you enjoy it too. Thank you so much for sending in your request. And guys, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Tell me what you think. I really look forward to hearing from you. Please don't forget to like, share my videos, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And also remember to click that notification bell because you will be alerted when I put a new video up. Thank you so much for watching me, guys. Thank you for coming back every week. Bye-bye.